Ever pondered how to transform your YouTube videos into a revenue stream? As we dive into 2023, let's unravel the mystery of YouTube monetization together. One of the most prevalent ways to monetize your YouTube channel is through the YouTube Partner Program, abbreviated as YPP. This program empowers you to accrue revenue from ads displayed on your videos and from other features such as YouTube Premium, Super Chat, Super Stickers, channel memberships, and so forth. However, to join the YPP, there are certain prerequisites. You need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers along with 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Adherence to the YouTube channel monetization policies, including community guidelines, terms of service, and advertiser-friendly guidelines, is also mandatory. Keep track of your progress and apply for YPP through the Monetization tab in YouTube Studio. Upon acceptance into YPP, begin activating monetization for your videos. Select the types of ads you prefer, whether they be display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, or bumper ads. Other engaging features include Super Chat and Super Stickers, which allow your followers to pay for their messages to be highlighted in live chat streams. Channel memberships offer fans the opportunity to pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks, such as badges, emojis, and bonus content. But the question that lingers is, how much can you truly earn from YouTube? The answer is dependent on several variables, such as the number of views, the type of ads, the geographical location of your viewers, the subject matter of your videos, and the seasonality of your niche. Although YouTube doesn't reveal the exact earnings per view, estimates suggest it ranges from 1 to 3 cents on average. However, this can fluctuate significantly based on the quality and demand for your content. A smart strategy to bolster your earnings is by diversifying your income sources. Collaborate with brands, sell merchandise, create courses, or venture into affiliate marketing. Not only can these methods augment your YouTube earnings, but they also help cultivate a loyal fan base and a robust personal brand. So there you have it, the process of monetizing your YouTube channel in 2023. If you found this guide helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Remember to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video uploads. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, goodbye.